Well, I was kind of bored this afternoon and working on some stuff, boiling some traps and whatnot, and I got a phone call, and my old neighbor had a bobcat come in and kill and carry off her regular house cat. So, and it's got it buried, I guess, she thinks, by this one tree, and the cat won't leave. So anyways, I'm gonna go set up on it and hopefully catch a cat. So my luck, the way it's going with bobcats this year, is a mountain lion will probably come in and kill the cat, or a cat hunter will go ahead and run that cat up a tree and kill it. That's just kind of it's kind of how my luck's going this year. But anyways, we're gonna go set up on it. If it's there, we'll shoot it, and if not, we'll just set traps and wait. This is where the cat's been eating. You can see the stomach content of the house cat. Here's the house cat's head. So I think this is going to be a good spot to set up. I think I'll use that as a dirt hole, and this might be pretty easy to catch. Maybe, never know, it might not come back. I think the cat came from that way, she said. All right, here's those dogs in the background. She's worried about her dog getting caught, or killed, I should say. I'm just gonna take all this stuff, put it right in here. Stomach content, everything. Nice dry dirt. Pretty easy set. I didn't bring no drags. I mean, I'm sorry, I didn't bring no stakes. It's got drags here. I'm just gonna wrap it around the stump. He didn't say it was a big cat, probably a small cat. So small cat or not, we're gonna, she wants it to die, so we're gonna go ahead and we'll put it down. There, now I'm gonna put if you can see, yeah, I'm gonna put lure right back in here. So, gonna put a little November 6th in there. Spear it there. Gland lure. Whoops, that was a little much. Gland lure there. And in honor of Pete Petrie, Pussy Posse. throw a little bit of little violet 7 back in there. Back in there tight, so there. Easy set. Traps right there. We got lure there. It's blocked off. The rest of the remains of the cat are back down in there. So let's go up here and make some more sets. See which way it's coming from. All right, I really like these kind of setups in between trees like this. Got 2 trees, and we'll run. Same thing. We're upset. We'll run lure up and down that one, and then we'll run lure up and down this one here, and put a bunch of different kind of lure on it. And heck yeah, this cat hopefully as good as caught if it didn't leave. So all right, I like these sets here. A step rock, of course, traps right in the middle. I got lure, bait, and there's some fish oil down there too. So these are three different lures that he's gonna want to rub on. So he's got different choices. So if you don't like one, he's bound to like a couple of the other ones. So let's just I'll go put some cameras up and see if we can get this thing caught and get it on film. Awesome. Well, we caught the cat-eating cat. Yeah, good hold on it too. Looks like a female, but we'll find out. Let me get some pictures. Oh, yeah. I know what a lot of guys are going to say is how I killed this small cat. It is a small cat, and it is a female, but this cat here, this lady that had these cats, her pet cats, killed, she wanted this cat dead. So if I was fur trapping, which I will use the fur off of this, but if I was fur trapping, I would release this cat, you know. But this lady had 2 of her cats killed, so, and she wanted this one dead, so we killed it. So yeah, is what it is, but it's a little female. I don't think it's, might even be a kit from last year, I don't know. But spots ain't the best on the belly, but it is nice. It sure is. Pale on the back, which is odd here. Usually we get the blue backs with the rosettes in the back. So this is a pretty nice pale. So right on. Let's go finish the line today.